Introduction.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, students. Today we will learn about alcohols, phenols and ethers.
Sir, what are alcohols?
Alcohols are compounds in which one or more hydrogen atom in an alkane has been replaced by hydroxyl group. What is hydroxyl group, teacher? The hydroxyl group is a functional group consisting of a hydrogen atom covalently bonded to an oxygen atom. Now, can anybody tell me what is phenol?
Yes, teacher. Phenol is an organic compound where one hydrogen attached to a benzene ring is replaced by a hydroxyl group.
Very good, Sunil. In this lesson, we will learn about alcohols, phenols and ethers. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to classify alcohols, phenols and ethers, discuss nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers, describe structures of functional groups, describe the methods of preparation of alcohols and phenols, describe physical properties of alcohols and phenols. Classification. Classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Mono, di, tri or polyhydric compounds. Alcohols and phenols are generally classified according to the number of hydroxyl groups present in the molecule. The alcohols containing one hydroxyl group are termed monohydroxy, with two hydroxyl groups as dihydroxy and with three hydroxyl groups as trihydroxy. Phenols containing one hydroxyl group are termed as monohydric, with two hydroxyl groups as dihydric and with three hydroxyl groups as trihydric. Classification. Monohydroxy alcohols can be subdivided on the basis of hybridization of the carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached. Compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon atom bonded with hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group in alcohol is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. They are further subdivided into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Allylic alcohols. Those alcohols in which hydroxyl group is attached to single bonded sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is, to allylic carbon, are called allylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohol. Those alcohols in which hydroxyl group is attached to single bonded sp3 hybridized carbon next to aromatic ring are called benzylic alcohols. Classification. Compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon atom bonded with hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group in alcohols attached to a carbon-carbon double bond, that is, to a vinylic carbon. They are also known as vinylic alcohols. Ethers. Ethers are organic compounds which can be represented by the general formula ROR-. The groups R and R- may be alkyl or aryl, either same or different. If the alkyl or aryl groups are same, then ethers are said to be symmetrical, and if alkyl or aryl groups are different, then ethers are said to be unsymmetrical. Nomenclature. Alcohols. Alcohols can be named either by using common name system or by IUPAC system of nomenclature. In common name system, alcohol is named by listing the alkyl group and adding the word alcohol. In IUPAC system, pick out the longest continuous chain to which the hydroxyl group is directly attached. The parent name of the alcohol comes from the alkane name for the same chain length. Drop the E ending and add OL. Number the parent chain so that the carbon bearing the hydroxyl group has the lowest possible number. Locate and name substituents other than the hydroxyl group. Example: 2-methyl-2-propanol. In cyclic alcohol, the hydroxyl group is assigned the C1 position. The second substituent then gets the lowest number. For example, 2-ethyl-5,5-dimethyl-cyclohexanol. Nomenclature. Phenols. Phenol is hydroxybenzene. Phenol is a common name and is also the IUPAC approved name for the simplest member of the phenol family of compounds. The name phenol is derived from a combination of the terms phenyl and alcohol. The substituents on the benzene ring are indicated by suitable numbers. For example, hydroxyl derivatives of toluene are ortho, meta, and para-ceresols. According to IUPAC nomenclature, these are named 2-methylphenol, 3-methylphenol, 4-methylphenol respectively. One more example is the benzene diols also have common names. Nomenclature. Ethers. The common names of ethers are derived by naming the two groups alkyl and or aryl linked to the oxygen atom in alphabetical order followed by the word ether. In case of symmetrical ethers, prefix di is attached before the name of the alkyl or aryl group. According to IUPAC system, ethers are named as alkoxy alkanes. The smaller alkyl group constitutes the alkoxy group, for example OR, whereas the bigger group, example R-, gives the name of the parent alkane. Structures of functional groups. Structure of ROH. Both the carbon atoms of alkyl group and oxygen atom of hydroxyl groups are sp3 hybridized. For example, methanol. The COH bond angle is